Hey, you're almost done. Pay close attention as once you click away from this page, this special customer appreciation deal on this page may be gone forever. You are about to get the special opportunity only because you're a VIP member of AvatarBuilder. Get excited because what I'm about to give you could be the most profitable component of the entire system. Because I'm about to give you access to a large collection of premium human-sounding text-to-speech voices that may skyrocket your engagement, results, and sales and make you stand out from your competition. AvatarBuilder features the world's best text-to-speech engine featuring an ever-growing library of lifelike male and female voices in all the popular languages. With the AvatarBuilder Voice Pro Unlimited upgrade on this page, you're going to get access to a huge collection of additional ultra-premium male and female text-to-speech voices for a low one-time payment. These premium voices will give you an unfair advantage to crush your competition and command more dollars for your videos. These new voices are 100% compatible with AvatarBuilder, so you can seamlessly integrate them into your videos and perfectly lip sync with your 3D avatars in minutes without the need for any third-party apps. As an experienced marketer and an online entrepreneur, my team and I always strive to stay on the cutting edge of technology and innovation. When a new technology becomes available, we instantly license it to use in our business. After months of testing and research, we pick up the best technologies that deliver results and add them into our apps so our customers like you can benefit from them. The voice technologies that you're getting access to are the same ones that power Google Home, Amazon Alexa devices, and we had to pay a hefty licensing fee to get you access to these additional premium text-to-speech voices. To give you a demo of the amazing text-to-speech voices, I will let some of our avatars take over. Their voice is generated by the same text-to-speech voice engine that you are getting access to today.
Welcome to AvatarBuilder Voice Pro Unlimited Upgrade. A good voice in your videos evokes emotions and ensures your prospects convert into sales. If your videos don't have good voiceover, you may lose out on a ton of sales and profits. This premium voice pack is perfect to elevate your videos and boost your revenues. If you are selling your videos as an agency or freelancer, you need ultra premium voices to make your videos look and sound professional. If you are a business owner, marketer, product creator, e-commerce site owner or a social media manager, premium human-sounding voices become more essential than ever to grab attention and drive sales. A good voice can ensure your marketing efforts reap the results you deserve. Stop wasting money hiring expensive voice artists. The Voice Pro Unlimited upgrade will save you a ton of money. Stop wasting your time and effort trying to find ultra-premium voices for your videos. Get access to all ultra-premium human-sounding voices when you upgrade today. Don't wait as the special pricing may expire very soon without notice. Click the button below for instant access.
La mejor parte es, tienes acceso a voces premium en todos los idiomas y acentos populares. Crear voces en off de apariencia humana para los avatares 3D en español, alemán, holandés, francés o cualquier otro idioma popular es muy fácil. Incluso incluimos acentos estadounidenses, británicos y australianos, entre otros. Todo impulsado por la mejor tecnología de conversión de texto a voz del mundo. Y con nuestra tecnología de sincronización de labios de última generación, sus avatares serán más realistas y llamarán la atención que nunca con movimientos naturales de los labios que se sincronizarán perfectamente con cualquier voz o idioma. No hay otra tecnología como AvatarBuilder. Estas voces ultra premium le brindan una nueva oportunidad para maximizar sus ganancias. Comience a hacer vídeos profesionales para sus clientes en minutos con AvatarBuilder usando estas voces premium y cobre más por sus servicios.
Sie haben jetzt die ultimative Flexibilität, um die Geschwindigkeit, den Ton und die Tonhöhe der Stimmen zu ändern und Pausen hinzuzufügen, damit die Sprache natürlicher klingt und Ihre Botschaft auf unterhaltsame und ansprechende Weise vermittelt wird. Sie haben die totale Kontrolle. AvatarBuilder macht es super einfach, Ihren Sprachschalter mit dem Avatar zu synchronisieren und unbegrenzte Blockbuster-Videos für sich und Ihre Kunden zu produzieren. Die Kombination der neuesten Technologien in AvatarBuilder macht es für jeden, unabhängig von technischer Erfahrung oder Fähigkeiten, ganz einfach, große Gewinne zu erzielen. Sie erhalten Zugriff auf branchenführende Funktionen und die neuesten Fortschritte in den Bereichen 3D-Animation, künstliche Intelligenz und jetzt die Text-zu-Sprache-Stimmen der nächsten Generation in einer benutzerfreundlichen App. Verpassen Sie nicht die Gelegenheit, Zugang zu allen Ultra-Premium-Stimmen zu einem äußerst günstigen Preis zu erhalten. Wandeln Sie Ihren Text in wenigen Minuten in äußerst ansprechende, menschlich klingende Stimmen um. Klicken Sie auf die Schaltfläche unten, um sofort loszulegen.
Pour un temps très limité, nous offrons ceci pour un petit paiement unique. Vous bénéficiez d'une utilisation illimitée de toutes les voix premium pour toujours, il n'y a pas de limite. N'oubliez pas que toutes les voix peuvent être parfaitement synchronisées avec vos avatars 3D animés en quelques minutes pour des voix humaines cristallines qui se sont avérées stimuler l'engagement et, finalement, vos ventes. Pensez Y, tandis que d'autres applications vous facturent des frais mensuels élevés pour les voix off de synthèse vocale de qualité supérieure. Avec la mise à niveau Voice Pro sur cette page, vous avez accès à toutes les voix premium sans aucun frais d'abonnement ni aucune restriction. C'est notre engagement à vous offrir le meilleur rapport qualité-prix car vous êtes notre client VIP. Cliquez sur le bouton ci-dessous pour accéder instantanément à toutes les voix premium maintenant.
This upgrade is a must-have for every AvatarBuilder customer to maximize their results. Due to the ongoing costs involved in licensing this voice technology, we cannot offer this at a low one-time price forever. I strongly recommend you to take action now before the price changes to a monthly subscription. Armed with the powerful premium voice engine, you can get more sales, offer more voice options to your clients, and charge more for your services. You never have to hire an expensive voiceover artist ever again. You're getting unlimited usage access to a large collection of additional lifelike voices at a jaw-dropping low one-time price that you see below. This is it. Your one and only chance. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. We are giving this away today at a never seen before jaw-dropping price, as we know our customers need it. You can create unlimited voiceovers with our premium voices. There are no limits. What are you waiting for? You have 30 full days to try this. You're covered by our no questions asked money back guarantee. If you have any questions, we have you covered by our VIP customer support that is waiting to help you, along with step-by-step over-the-shoulder training. Click on the button below to get instant access. This is your one and only chance to secure this and get started in minutes. The premium voices will be waiting for you inside your account once you upgrade. Click on the button below to secure your one-time price. I will see you on the inside.